Hey friends, if you encounter the error MTP USB device driver failed to install on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's one thing that we need to understand. Basically, this issue can be with the hardware too, and it can be at the driver level too. Now it says drivers, but it could be at the hardware level too. So here's what you have to do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now check for any yellow exclamation mark next to any drivers, and if you find it, just expand it, right click and update the driver. Okay, and you can also click on view and show hidden drivers. Now this is especially true for the USB drivers. You will find exclamation marks on them often, but here's one more thing that I suggest. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options, select optional updates and install them, and then go to Windows Updates and then click on check for updates. So you can make sure that the device drivers are up to date, and if that doesn't help either, then you will obviously have to contact a hardware expert. Also try changing the USB ports. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.